Hello students, today we discuss human environment. Human environment, first settlement. Human settlement and its type. Dense and sparse settlement. We all know that from in the beginning period, like Aryans live in a group and they have permanent settlement, and also God given intellect, sense of observation coupled with one's ability to learn, man has altered the surrounding to his benefit. Man started modifying the environment around him and established settlement to lead a more comfortable life. What is settlement? A settlement is a place where people build their home, live close to one another and interact with each other, carrying out various occupational activities which help in making life more comfortable. The earliest settlement, you all know that civilization developed in the bank of river because the availability of land was fertile, facilitating agriculture, fresh water, communication. These are gradually development took place, trade and commerce grew, industries were set up, and the whole picture changes. Types of settlement, two types of settlement. First one is called a temporary settlement and permanent settlement. Rural settlement, first one. The villages have rural settlement where people are engaged mainly in agriculture, animal husbandry, forestry and related craft. In village, mostly people are engaged with agriculture work. The population is small and amenities are less. Villagers build their house either in isolated dwellers and compact settlement. Isolated dweller means one home is here and apart from few and half kilometer. Second house is called isolated. But compact settlement like flat system in our urban area, in our city, these are called compact settlement. Isolated dwelling and scattered settlement. Scattered, mostly found in hilly area, in thick forest or the region with extreme climatic condition and are spread over an extensive area. Whereas compact settlement or nucleated settlement are closely built, dwelling where flat fertile land is available and accessibility is good. The house built here are thick walled house, often having thatched roof, using locally availability building material like stone, mud, clay, straw, bricks, etc. Generally, rural settlement have poor facility like road, school, hospital, post office, but the government is making effort to provide better amenities in rural area, and today several big villages have all the basic facilities. Now come in urban settlement. Urban settlement include town and cities. Here people are mostly engaged in non-agriculture activities such as trade, industry, administration, banking, commercial. Urban settlement have comparatively dense and large population are required more amenities. There are metalled roads with street light, and urban settlement one can get number of school, college, hospital, means of amusement just like park, cinema hall, restaurants. In the urban settlement, both rural and urban settlement are dependent on each other. While rural area provide agriculture goods, the urban settlement provide industrial goods and other service needed in village. In next video, we discuss about transport, types of transport and communication. Okay, thank you very much.